The workers' compensation system is run by the New York State Workers' Compensation Board, and their slogan is "Get better, get back to work," and that's what workers' compensation cases are all about. There are several different types of claims. All of the claims require that your injury or your condition or illness be related or connected to your employment. As Joe alluded to earlier in the presentation, your condition has to arise out of and in the course of your employment. So specifically, some claims are considered to be accidents. An accident is an injury, traumatic, that arises out of and in the course of your employment. So it's got to be about what you do at work and that you're doing whatever it is you did at work. It can't be off work hours, off the work premises, or some other issue. The case law is very broad. The workplace, of course, gets expanded more and more every year as more clever attorneys think of different ways to associate different locations to the workplace. But basically, it's got to be something that arises out of and in the course of employment at your job site while you're employed. An occupational disease is a little bit different. That's an illness or a condition associated with a particular occupation or industry. Two examples of that would be exposure cases like asbestosis, where you're exposed to an element that causes you to develop an illness or a condition, or carpal tunnel syndrome, where you have a repetitive use or an overuse of a body part, and you develop a condition like carpal tunnel syndrome. Osteoarthritis is another example where someone works repetitively and aggressively and physically, say in the construction business, and they develop osteoarthritis in their knee or their hip. Also within the realm of occupational disease, you have hearing loss. Hearing loss has some unique features, very specific loss parameters. You've got to go to a hearing specialist who understands the workers' compensation criteria, and they fill out your chart showing where your hearing loss in the spectrum of your total hearing capabilities exists, and they have to tie that, of course, to an exposure at work. There are also death claims.